Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a question that I get asked a lot. Can you take back money on Venmo? I'm going to start by giving you a quick answer. Yes, you can take back money on Venmo, but there are some important things to know before you do. So, let's get started. What is Venmo? Before we get into the details of how to take back money on Venmo, let's take a quick look at what Venmo is. Venmo is a peer-to-peer payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a great way to split bills, pay for dinner, or just send someone a gift. You can use Venmo on your phone, tablet, or computer. You can also link your Venmo account to your bank account or credit card. How to take back money on Venmo. Now that we know what Venmo is, let's talk about how to take back money on Venmo. There are two ways to take back money on Venmo. Cancel a payment. Request a refund. Cancel a payment. If you haven't already confirmed the payment, you can cancel it. To do this, simply go to the transaction page and click on the Cancel button. Request a refund. If you have already confirmed the payment, you can request a refund. To do this, go to the transaction page and click on the Request a Refund button. You will then need to provide a reason for the refund. Once you have done this, your request will be sent to the recipient. The recipient can then choose to accept or reject your refund request. If the recipient accepts your refund request, the money will be returned to your Venmo account. If the recipient rejects your refund request, you will not be able to get your money back. Important things to know about taking back money on Venmo. There are a few important things to keep in mind when you are trying to take back money on Venmo. You can only request a refund for transactions that are less than 30 days old. You can only request a refund for transactions that were made between two individuals. You cannot request a refund for transactions that were made to or from a business. If the recipient rejects your refund request, you will not be able to get your money back. Tips for avoiding problems when using Venmo. Here are a few tips for avoiding problems when using Venmo. Only send money to people you trust. Be sure to confirm the payment before you send it. If you need to cancel a payment, do it as soon as possible. If you need to request a refund, be sure to provide a valid reason. Taking back money on Venmo is possible, but there are some important things to keep in mind. If you are having trouble taking back money on Venmo, you can contact Venmo customer support for help. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.